Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to crypto.com. So the first step is open up your Metamask and then you have to click on this Ethereum or the network icon at the top left corner. And then it's going to bring the list of your networks that you can currently use. Now you need to click on this add a custom network button. And now on the screen, you have to fill up these details. So in the network name, you have to enter Chronos, and in the RPC URL you have to type https double dots and / evm hyphen chronos.crypto.org, and in the chain ID you have to type 25 and the symbol CRO, and in the block explorer URL type https semicolon / and chronosscan.com. Don't worry, I will also give all of these details in the description of my video, so you can just copy from here and paste in this area. And once you have done this, fill up these details, click on this save button, and then you have to open up your, and once you do that, your Corona's network will be added to your MetaMask. Now you can transfer the cryptos from crypto.com to your MetaMask. So just get the cryptocurrency address that you want to transfer. So just open up your crypto.com and then click on accounts option. From here click on crypto, and then you have to click on this transfer button and then click on this deposit. After that, select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive in your crypto.com. I will select Chronos, and then you have to select the network. Make sure you have like the network Chronos in your network tab, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on copy, and then again go back to your MetaMask app and then click on send button and then paste this wallet address and enter the amount, and you can simply complete the transfer. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.